Parenting can be super overwhelming at times, and while we are lucky enough to have 2 parents manning the fort, sometimes even 4 hands just doesn't seem like enough. Babe, can you just grab me some grape water? I think we've got gas issues here.
My hands are a little full right now, baby.
Okay.
Sorry.
So we have come to rely on our other co-parent to make things a little bit easier when our hands are full. Alexa. Thank you to Amazon for sponsoring this video and for creating the beautiful, albeit faceless digital being Alexa. I don't know how our parents did it without her. Alexa, show me the front door. Alexa, play Bowie Scarlet playlist on Spotify. As you can see, we use the 2nd generation fully redesigned Echo Show to help us out with all sorts of stuff around the house. What do you think, kid? Hat or no hat? Alexa, what's the weather?
Currently, in Beverly Hills, it's 61 degrees Fahrenheit.
Alexa, open Nanit.
Welcome to Nanit. How may I help you?
How did Bowie sleep last night?
Bowie Scarlet Beech was in bed for 11 hours, 31 minutes.
Alexa, show me Bowie's room.
Okay.
But we are only touching the tip of the iceberg of what this thing can really do as we start to transition into a fully fledged smart home. The Echo Show's built-in smart home hub can control compatible lights, switches, sensors, door locks, and so much more, so you really don't have to lift a finger. That is, until the baby's crying. But once she is finally off to sleep and you can finally wind down, Amazon also has your downtime covered with their Fire TV Recast and Fire TV Stick 4K.
Alexa, comedies, please.
I'm too tired to laugh. Alexa, show me movies with Tom Hardy in it.
Alexa, as much as I do love Tom Hardy, I feel like we have seen all the Tom Hardy movies.
Should we just watch
Alexa, show me Bowie's room.
Watching Bowie asleep in her crib may not be everyone's favorite form of entertainment, but if you're a parent, then you totally get it. And whether you're a parent or not, you will totally get this. Amazon has made home entertainment better than ever for entertaining your family and friends. Before Bowie arrived, Josh and I would love to host people at our house. We love having people over on the weekends and just making sure everyone felt like our home was their own. And now that Bowie's starting to finally settle into a bit of a routine, I feel like we're almost ready to put our hosting hats back on. So whether it's movie nights or fight nights or just binge watching epic fail videos on YouTube, because that's always a good time, we can do it all easier and with more access than ever before. Amazon has so many ways for you to entertain your guests now, starting with the ultra thin indoor antenna, which is not your parents' old bunny ears. I know that's automatically what pops into mind when you think of an antenna. This thing is super discreet in its design, so it just blends in with its surroundings without any messy cable wires and stuff like that. And then it has a super impressive 35-mile range, so you can watch all of your favorite over-the-air TV shows without any hefty monthly fees. Amazon's Fire TV Stick is the most powerful streaming media stick out there, and you can launch all of your favorite TV shows and movies using the Alexa remote with just voice control, which comes in very handy when you are juggling a baby and hors d'oeuvres. You can choose from over 500,000 movies and TV episodes. You can view and control compatible smart home devices, and you can get access to millions of websites like Facebook, Reddit, and of course, YouTube. Side note, make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you can see my face on your TV screens again. You also don't need cable for the Fire TV Stick to work its magic. Subscriptions to Hulu, PlayStation Vue, and of course, Amazon Prime will do the trick. Then you've got the Fire TV Recast, which is the companion DVR that allows you to watch, record, and replay free programming, again, with no monthly fees. And it can record 2 shows at the same time and stores up to 75 hours of programming. Also, once again, no hands needed. So you can just use any compatible Alexa-enabled device like the Echo Show to control it, to manage and schedule your recordings. There's nothing Alexa can't do. Alexa, give Bowie her bedtime bottle. Okay, there are some things she can't do, but you get my point. Amazon has made entertaining ourselves and our future guests a better experience than ever before, and having Alexa in our house honestly feels like an extra set of hands on deck most days. If you guys use Amazon devices to make your lives a little bit easier in any ways that weren't mentioned in this video, then please let me know in the comment section below. I need to know. As I said, I am well aware that we are just touching the tip of the iceberg as far as our smart home is concerned. I hope you enjoyed a little bit of insight into our smart home process, and I will see you in the next video.